Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2023. Right? A rectangular floor measures 4 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width. Right? See, 4 meters in length, right? And 2.2 meters in width. Right? So this is 4 meters and 2.2 meters width. Tiles of size 140 centimeter by 60 centimeter have to be laid such that the tiles do not overlap, right? So this floor has to be covered with tiles of 140 centimeter and 60 centimeter. That's tiles do not overlap. A tile can be placed in any orientation as long as its edges are parallel to the edges of the floor. So tiles can be placed in any orientation, but edges of the tiles have to be parallel to the edges of the floor, right? So that means see, edges of the floor is this, right? So tiles cannot be placed like this because by either edges of tiles are not parallel to edges of the floor, right? So they can be placed either like this, that is they are parallel to edges of the tiles are parallel, and they can be placed like this, right? जो 140 सेंटीमीटर है ये 140 होगा, ये 60 सेंटीमीटर होगा. So here also edges are parallel to the edges of the floor, right? So they cannot be placed ऐसा ऐसा नहीं लगा सकते, ठीक है? वो parallel होना चाहिए, right? या तो vertical लगाओ या तो horizontal लगाओ. That's the meaning. Then question is, what is the maximum number of tiles that can be accommodated on the floor? इस floor में कितने maximum tiles of 140 सेंटीमीटर 60 सेंटीमीटर का कितने अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं? सी फर्स्ट लेट्स कन्वर्ट देम इनटू सेंटीमीटर्स बिकॉज टाइल्स जो है वो सेंटीमीटर्स में. सो 400 मीटर्स सेंटीमीटर्स में, सी 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो दैट इज 400 सेंटीमीटर्स. 400 सेंटीमीटर 2.2 meters into centimeters into 100 centimeters, that is 2.2 22 into 10, that is 220 centimeters, right? So 220 centimeters we need to put 140 centimeters ka tiles. So now see this can be, see this 220 centimeters, right? So this 220 centimeters can be divided as, see 60 centimeters by tiles, like either. So 60 and 140. See this is, take 140, right? And this as 140, right? So 140 plus 140, so 280. So जो बचेगा वो 120 बचेगा, right? Because 400 centimeters होना चाहिए. So this is 140 plus 140 is 280, and 280 plus 120 gives. So here again, here this is 60, and again this is 60, and this is 60. So this is 60, 60, 60, and this would be, see 180 already हो गया. 60, 60, 60, 180. So remaining 220 minus 180. So ये हो जाएगा 40 centimeter. Right? So that means, see here one tail of 140 ऐसा लगा सकते हैं, and second tail 140 60 140, and third tail of 60 140 इधर नहीं लगा सकते, right? So because ये 40 सेंटीमीटर है, ओवरलैप तो नहीं कर सकता. So this is first tail, and this is second, and this is third. So similarly here also 140 60 140 60. So 4 5 6, right? 6 can be laid, right? Now see here, अब देखो 140 लगाएंगे तो ये बाहर हो जाएगा, right? बाहर हो जाएगा. सो इधर 140 का इस ओरिएंटेशन में नहीं लगा सकते. सो राइट. सो बट सी टेल कैन बी रिटर्न, सी 120 है, ठीक है? ये 60 हो जाएगा. सो 120 60 60 वाला, सी दिस वुड बी हियर तक 140, right? See here this is 60 इधर तक 120 हो जाएगा. So 140 सेंटीमीटर. So ये 140 हो जाएगा, ये 60 सेंटीमीटर्स, and here also 60 centimeters because 120 का है. So 60 centimeters 140 centimeters. So this would be 7, and this is 8, right? So उसके बाद अब देखो इधर बचा है, ठीक है? See 140. So 140 के बाद here what is, how much left out? See this is 140 covered out of 220, right? So here this is 80 centimeters, right? So 80 centimeters है. अब देखो 60 centimeters वाला, but see here this is 120. see this इधर तक 120 है, and this is 40, ठीक है? इधर नहीं लगा सकते because अब 140, see 140 वाला इधर लगाना है तो that would be like this, right? 140 and ये 40 है, ठीक है? 40 का इधर 60 वाला नहीं लग सकता. So इधर भी नहीं लग सकता, इधर भी नहीं लग सकता, इधर भी नहीं लग सकता. So at max we can arrange. see let's understand this again. जो लास्ट पॉइंट है वो फिर से समझ लेते हैं, ठीक है? सी नाउ what we are left with is we are left with here, it is 80 centimeters we are left, right? And here we are left with just 40 centimeters either tak. So here it is 120 centimeters, right? 120 centimeters and it is 40 centimeters. So we cannot fix 140 tail like this here, right? So 140 है तो वो इधर तक आएगा and इधर भी वो 60 तक लाना है तो इधर तक आएगा, right? So we cannot keep any tile here. So here also the place will be empty. So maximum, what is the maximum number of tiles that can be accommodated on the floor? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 tiles at max we can accommodate. So option is C, 8 is the answer, right? Again, very good question, right? Conceptual question.